My name is Dan Roshan. Greetings, Virginia Real Estate Sales Network. Today I want to talk to you about tips of what you should do before you move into your new home. Welcome back. Now, before I go through these tips and tricks with you, I guess just tips, about what you should do in regards to moving into a new home, I'm going to encourage you, if you are in the market to buy a home, click on this link and you can see everything on the MLS. And if you're in the market to sell a home, you just want to see the value, go ahead and click on this. I'll share with you an instant valuation for your property. Now, what should you do before you move into a home? Well, one of the first things I'm going to suggest is that you find a good mover. Depending, or you could, if you're going to do it on your own, that's fine. But I'm really going to suggest to please think to find a good mover, because it is harder to move than what you remember. The next thing is that you're going to go ahead and you're going to get all your packing materials, whether that be from your mover or from the giant down the street or whatever the case may be. It's probably better to find the professional boxes that you can unfold, and they're going to be make the whole transition a lot simpler. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and organize everything. So perhaps you may want to throw some things out, perhaps you may want to donate some things, and perhaps you may want to actually relocate some things. And so you want to get those organized. Go ahead and make those transitions, and then place everything else in a box and get ready for the movers. Next thing is you want to transfer all the utilities. So that's something that you do not want to forget to do, because you don't want to be in your new home on night number 2 and the previous owner canceled the utilities, and oh, guess what? It's a Saturday night, and now I got no AC or no heat, or I can't watch football. Like, even worse than that. Next thing is to make sure that that you forward all your mail. You want to check in with the post office. You want to make certain that you inspect all the boxes that get delivered from the mover, so that you're on both ends of that, front and back, to make sure that there's no problems with any of your materials. So hopefully that's helpful for you. If I can answer any questions for you whatsoever, feel free to contact me, Dan at greetingsvirginia.com. And I'm happy to talk to you about how we may be able to help you, or just answer any questions. Thanks so much.